Today I'll show you how to use sticker decals in two plastic bowls that I purchased at Dollar Tree to make a vase. First I used masking tape to tape my bowl. Then I connected my bowls at the bottoms using Fix-All adhesive and Gorilla Hot glue. Once my glue dried, I took my piece outside and I spray painted it silver, and I spray painted my stickers gold. Once my spray paint dried, I removed the masking tape. Then I began attaching my painted stickers to my vase using Gorilla Hot glue. Once I was done adding my stickers, this is what my vase looked like. I attached a floral foam to the top of my vase. Then I added my flowers. This is what my vase looked like once I was all done. As I looked at my vase, it looked incomplete, so I added acrylic gems that I purchased at Hobby Lobby to the seam where I connected my bowls. Thank you so much for watching. If you have enjoyed this video or any other video on this channel, you can support me by using the information in the description box. Or you can simply just like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss my next DIY.